Hello and welcome to J. Elis Organization. This channel is about, you guessed it, all things organization and productivity. It is my mission to help you thrive and become your best, most organized, put together self so that you can feel empowered to create and curate your own life, starting with where you spend the most time, whether that's your home, your office, or even your tech and digital environments you spend time in. I want to help you create beautiful, organized, easy to operate in spaces and add structure to your life. I'm Janelle. I'm a professional organizer, entrepreneur, and actress based in Los Angeles, California. And based on my own experience of being a busy bee, building my own career, I have learned that everyone can create and enjoy the spaces they spend time in a very fun and simple and entertaining way. It can be really hard to maintain a neat and tidy and organized life. Clutter and mess is bound to come up, especially if you lead a particularly busy lifestyle, whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, a parent, or even if you just work a ton of hours. I want to point you towards the best knowledge and resources that I've obtained over the years to help you organize your life and create peace in the midst of chaos. I would love for you to join me on this journey. Just a few things to make sure you're ready for this adventure. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure you turn on notifications so that you know when I post a video to this channel. I will be posting every week, but it's always good to have a little reminder. If you're over on any of the social platforms and you'd like some quick tips throughout your day, feel free to follow me over on social media. And make sure you have a Spotify or Apple Music account because we love music when we organize, and I have some really great playlist recommends. Okay, any info you need is in the description, and I can't wait to see you next week.